welcome back to my channel. It's Atia. Today I'm coming to you guys with a 6-month hair review on this hair that I received from Beauty Forever Hair. I think back in November. I'm pretty sure I filmed an unboxing for this hair. But yeah, before I get started, excuse the background. I'm in my bathroom right now because my room is kind of dirty. So excuse the echo that you hear. I've been traveling a lot and I'll be traveling also to Israel soon. So stay tuned for the vlogs. I did vlog Costa Rica. Just let me know if you want to see it, but it's more like scenic. Like I didn't actually vlog myself. I vlogged like my surroundings. So yeah, enough about that. Also, I know that I have a new subscriber, so welcome. And yeah, don't forget to hit the like button and let's just get started. So when I first received this hair, this was a color number, like it was dark brown. So after a couple months of having this hair, I dyed it blonde. If I can, I will insert pictures in, but if I don't be surprised. Yeah, so then the hair started acting funny after I dyed it. So somebody recommended to me to get a silicone mix. So I purchased this. This is really good. Like I soaked my hair in this. It said 3 minutes, but I did it kind of longer. I did like 10 minutes and I like mixed it with what's it called? Hot water. So this looks like this. It's like a hair mayonnaise. Like it looks like, that's what it looks like to me. It was like $5 to $7. I got it from Target. When I tell you that my hair like bounced back, like it became soft and silky again, my hair looks like this right now because I like the messy look when you do like, if you guys can see the hair, so I have it in, I like it to look messy. I don't like it looking like straight and uniform because my face is very puffy or chubby or fat. I have a fat face. So I like when my hair is big, that way it's not too straight. So yeah, but this hair, when I tell you guys, I love this hair. Like I always get compliments on this hair when I have it installed, and then it's to right here on me. Once again, the inches are 18, 20, 22, and 16-inch closure. And I like how the closure is short because in the front I'm able to make like like they're not bangs, but I like the like difference, if you can tell. So yeah, so then a couple months ago, like no, I think it was this month, I had my twisting, so I went to Costa Rica with my hair braided. I'm like, you know what, I don't like blonde anymore, let me change it. It wasn't even blonde, it was like a bronze honey brown because I didn't leave it on long enough because I got scared that I was going to fry the hair, which it didn't. But it was able to bounce back, you know. I dyed burgundy. And when I dyed burgundy, guys, the hair has been soft. I haven't had any issues with it. I dyed it. I curled it this morning. I used this curling wand I got off of Amazon for like $15. I think it's Infinity Pro by Canon, if you guys care. It's okay. It's like your typical standard hot iron. I have no issues with it. So yeah, the hair tangles a little bit, but it's just because like I sweat on the back. See, like the only thing, so let me start with pros. So the pros of hair is I like how the length is not too long, but it's not too short. I like that I can style this hair. The only couple things I don't like about this hair is I wish it was curly, and that's my fault. I should just got curly hair. It's body wave, but you can see like the wave. Like this is what it looks like if I brush everything out. Like this is what it looks like if I wash it normally. You see like the small waves in there. Like I was expecting it to be more wavy. Also, another thing I don't like about it is that it just kind of tangles too fast and doesn't hold a curl. That's the issue with it. It doesn't hold a curl. Like I'll curl the hair and a couple minutes later the curl is gone. So this is what the normal texture looks like. You can see how I dyed it. So you can see how some of it is like dark burgundy and some of it is lighter. And I love that about this hair. I don't know how I managed to do that, but I really like it. So yeah, I'm gonna brush it out real quick. Also, this hair is not sewn in. It's on a wig. I had it made into a wig. So I can take it off and turn it on. But yeah, overall, I like this hair. I like how I can give it body and make it big which I typically do because once again, I don't like how straight hair looks on me. So this is normally how a wave looks like. I just wish the waves were more defined, but that's the only issue I have with this hair. I have no like real problem with the hair, and the problems I did have, I was able to fix like within like a couple of minutes. So yeah, that's my review, my 6-month review on this Beauty Forever hair. When it becomes a year, I'll give you guys a year review, but yeah, that's it. But once again, if you guys want to see that Costa Rica vlog, leave a comment down below. And also, if you want me to vlog when I go to Israel, let me know. Also, I have a tour decided dressing room coming up and a tour clothing haul also coming up. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.